Hey everybody, this is Deepak Khatir from Upside Down Labs, and in today's video we are going to see how to easily create a EMG recording setup using muscle BioAmp Candy, which is our newest affordable candy size muscle sensor that you can use for precise EMG recording. Now without further ado, let's get started. Using muscle BioAmp Candy is as easy as to use any other BioAmp from Upside Down Labs. Beside the BioAmp, you will only need a 5V Arduino compatible board like Arduino Uno or Nano. Let's start with making the hardware connections. Connect VCC of your Candy to the 5V of your Arduino, ground to the ground of Arduino, and output of your muscle BioAmp Candy to the A0 analog input of your Arduino. To record EMG signals from your ulnar nerve, first you have to connect the BioAmp cable to your Candy and then connect the iron positive and iron negative to the muscle as shown in the connection diagram on the screen. Now connect the reference of the BioAmp to a body part like your elbow or any other isolated part of the body with no interference from the muscle you are targeting. For the experiment, we connected it to the back of the palm. To record the EMG and the envelope signal of our EMG, you have to go to the GitHub repository of muscle BioAmp Candy. You can find all the relevant files in this repository. Here we have to go to software EMG envelope folder. In the folder itself you will find this EMG envelope.ino. Click on this. This is the main code for Arduino to record raw EMG signals and the envelope of our signal. Here you have to click on this copy raw contents. Now you have to open a blank Arduino sketch. When you are at this state, press Ctrl A and Ctrl V to paste the code we have copied from GitHub. Now press Ctrl S to save this in a file. I am going to give this a name of EMG underscore envelope. Now we are ready to flash this to our Arduino. Go to Tools, Port, and make sure the COM port for your Arduino is selected. When everything is done, press on the upload button. Now the code will be uploaded to your Arduino Uno and it will show as done uploading. Now you are ready for recording the EMG signal and the envelope. Now let's see the signals in action. To do that, click on Tools, Serial Plotter. Here you will see two signals, one in blue and one in red. The blue signal is our raw EMG signal and the red signal is the envelope of that signal. Whenever I flex my muscle, you can see both the signals changing. The envelope of the signal is more useful to us to create any robotics project. To see just the envelope of the signal, close this window, go to the code and comment out these lines. Now only envelope of the signal will be shown. Upload the code again. When it's done uploading, click on Tools, Serial Plotter, and you will see that only one signal is shown on the screen and it's pretty much zero for most of the time. And whenever I flex, you can see very clear graph of the EMG signal. This envelope of the signal can be easily converted into signals for LEDs to control a LED bar or to control a servo claw or a servo arm. You can create very exciting projects using this code. So create your own awesome projects, share them with us on our social media handles or in the comment section below. That was all for this video. Stay tuned for more awesome videos from Upside Down Labs. Until then, stay safe and have a good one. Peace.